Nike SB, blue and black series. Nike SB Blazers, mid, quick strike. Crazy detail on these. Fire frog in the back. Ladybug laces, frog on the side. Super fire, super fire. Different, definitely a premium. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get these in my size, but at the end of the day, I had to get them. I mean, the shoe kind of speaks for itself. Super buttery material on the shoe. Kind of like the Bears, kind of like the Gibsons. A little bit of mix in between. The frog is definitely a nice detail on it. Definitely what made this shoe stand out from everything else. People don't usually put the, if they have a logo, they don't usually put it on the Nike check. They usually put it on the tongue, or they put it on the heel. Nike SB on it. It's a size 12, but definitely a fire, really fire shoe. Let me know if you like it, dislike it, comment below, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. But yep, Nike SB blue and black series, definitely a bang.